Okay.
Today's date is the 14th April 2016. This is Zulfikar Islam Choudhury, and I am going to conduct your speaking test. First of all, may I know your full official name?
Well, thank you very much. My full official name is Tilottama Bulwar.
What name do you want me to call you?
You can call me by name Tilottama.
Okay. Ms. Tilottama, where are you from?
I'm from a small city area called Chowk Bajar from Chittagong.
Right. Do you like your neighborhood?
Yes, I like my neighborhood very much because from the very childhood, I born here, and my schools, my college are in Chittagong. That's why I like that city very much.
Alright. Do you want to make any changes?
Yes, there are lots of things in my neighborhood, but the problem is that there is no clinic, that is maybe maternity. I think in my mind that there should be, I have to build up a maternity center or a clinical center because for the further development and for the health facilities of my country, of my city center.
Okay. What are the main ways of earning money in your neighborhood?
Basically, Chittagong is a port city. That's why people of my city want to trading. They want to do the main occupation is trading, or also there are lots of fishermen is there, and you can say that there are doctors, engineers, teachers are also available.
Alright. Okay. What are some of the merits and demerits of living in your neighborhood?
The merits is the people are so good, my neighbors are so good, the surroundings people are so helpful, and the demerits that people of my country, basically my country is not very much well educated, so they are very conservative. That's why some problems are there. If I want to say something, they will think it maybe 2 decade before thinking, or sometimes very conservative mentality. Otherwise, they are good because they are very friendly.
Okay, let's talk about transport. What is the best way to get around in your neighborhoods?
The best way, I will say that the rickshaw is the best vehicle in my neighborhood because it's a very small city. That's why people can go by rickshaw very easily. And also there are lots of public transport, just like buses, tempos are available, but it's not
Okay.
very much convenient.
How do you improve the transport system in your neighborhood?
Basically, the transport systems are good, but the problem is that the drivers, they are not following the rules and regulations of the traffic, and also the roads and the streets are not good because there are lots of street hawkers are available. That's why some problems always arising. Also, the traffic are not so much cautious about the traffic system, and the people in my country also, they have no idea about traffic. That's why they can walk in the footpath or anywhere whatever they like.
Okay. How does transport cause pollution?
The transport is causing pollution these days in my city is very much because the public transport they are using, the buses, the tempos, it's not good enough because maybe the engines are not good or something problem are there. That's why some types of black smoke are there, it causing the pollution, and also the horn system that it is a provocating sound. Sound is very much noisy.
Okay, do people prefer using public or private transport in your neighborhoods?
Yes, lots of people like it very much because basically the man and the male person like it very much, but the ladies and the girls don't want the public transport, just like the buses and any other vehicles. They only like the rickshaws because it is secure, and the public are not so good. That's why.
Okay, well, thank you very much.